guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So today is another bold makeup look and it's kind of a burgundy look and I absolutely love the way it's come out. And I created this look using the 350 Morphe palette and I absolutely love it. As I mentioned in my last tutorial, I did put a poll on my Instagram page and you guys wanted to also see a makeup tutorial with me using this palette. Now can I just say this palette is absolutely beautiful. Like it screams out like autumn and fall to me, and this is the kind of look that I created using some of the colours that are in this palette. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. But without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So I've already used this cream shade just to set all my lids, and then I'm going to go in with this shade right here just to act as a transition shade. Don't forget, with your transition shade, you don't want it to be too dark, you want it to be quite similar to your skin tone shade. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a normal fluffy brush. Then to start to add slightly more of a colour in the crease, I'm going to be picking up this little bit more darker of a brown and just apply it with a more precise fluffy brush, but literally applying it over the top of that shade what we applied just. And then once I've applied this shade, I'll be going back in with our transition shade and just blending out the edges of that colour just so it is really nice and seamless on the lids. Then to deepen things up further, I'm going to take this darker brown and use more like of a precise angle brush and just start popping this in the crease and in towards the inner corner. This is just going to start to define the crease and make the eyes pop a little bit. And then once I've applied this shade, I'm going to go in with the brushes and shades we used previously just so everything is blended out nicely together and so all the shades melt nicely together as well. Then to get that like burgundy effect, I'm first going to go in with like this orangey burnt red shade and just start applying this on my outer corner and like halfway into the inner corner. I'm applying this bit by bit just because it is such like a harsh colour. I want to make sure I apply it sparingly just so I know I can blend it out like really nice and seamlessly. And then again, what I'll be doing is using the brushes we've used previously and the shade just to make sure that shade is literally like blended out really good. Then to deepen up that red shade, I then went in with this very warm toned brown which had still a hint of red and orangey in it, and then I went right above that red shade and just a little bit over it just to deepen it up a little bit more. This is what actually gave it like that burgundy smoky eye look. Then again, I'm going to be blending that shade out nice and seamlessly. There's a lot of blending in this, guys, so just bear with me. Then I'm going to take that same shade on a more of a precise, smaller, fluffy brush just so I can concentrate it on the outer crease so it does look a lot more darker. Then again, going in with a even more darker brown and focusing it on like just the outer corner on the outer crease and just blending that right into that crease. Then I'm going to remove the tape and then go in with my number 7 liquid matte eyeliner and just do a normal classic wing. Then to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, I'm going to be using the Tarte highlighter in the shade Exposed. Then I'll be popping on some false lashes from the brand Eylure. Then I'm going to repeat the process on the lower lash, but I'm just going to take like the second light shade we put on our lids and then the burnt orange red shade, and then just deepen up with one of the dark browns just to add a little bit more definition underneath there. Then adding some number 7 mascara to the top